Today, you will learn how to change Office theme in Word. Open Microsoft Word, then click the File tab in the top left corner. At the bottom of the left menu, click Options. In the Word Options window, make sure General is selected. Now scroll to the Personalize Your Copy of Microsoft Office section. Click the Office Theme drop-down menu and choose the theme you like, such as colorful, dark gray, black, or white. You can also change the Office background if you want to add a decorative pattern to the top of the Office window. After selecting your preferred theme and background, click OK, and your changes will be applied immediately. If you're using Microsoft 365 and want to see a live preview before choosing, click File, then Account, and use the Office Theme or Office Background options. As you select different themes, you'll instantly see how they look, making it easier to pick your favorite. That's it. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe.